we have to immerse in something. Yeah. And all that we immerse in, we emerge out of that. Yeah. So, what is it that we have been immersing in? And everything that we have been immersing in, like I was talking about the moments of my morning today. So either you can immerse in that, yeah, or you can emerge from that. Yeah. So what happens is that we all, we see a candle and there is a wick to that candle. And what happens to that wick? That wick is immersed in the paraffin wax. Yeah. And what does it emerge? Light. Yeah. Now, what all do we immerse in? That is anything and everything that I give priority to. Yeah. And what is the priority that I give? Yeah. So these days, what is the priority that you give? Let's make the call interactive. Yeah. So what is the priority that you have been giving? Yeah, Ruchi, what is that?
So I have been trying to give me a lot of priority, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So so I'm doing a lot of things which are focused on me, right? So there's a lot of dialogue about me which is going on in my head. So if I'm, so everything from a glass of water that I want to have warm in the morning to attending this call, to a meditation that I want to do in the evening or anything. Matlab, I have been staying awake, even at 2 o'clock. कि नहीं ये तो मुझे करना ही है, right? So if you ask me one thing that I am prioritizing, it is me. I'm reading more. I am looking at more, self videos. I am listening more, definitely listening more. And in a couple of places, I'm not letting go, but it is more of a faking the letting go. कि भाई नहीं कर सकते, लड़ना बंद करो, you know. So I'm still in that faking stage, but at least I've started telling myself कि भैया इसमें कुछ नहीं हो सकता, छोड़ दो इसको. Let it go. So this is where I
Okay,
am.
amazing. So if I would take you another step deeper into whatever you said, what do you love to fake?
Have to repeat yourself. I'm so sorry. There was
Not a problem. What do you love to fake? First thing.
myself.
Okay, and how do you do that?
By saying exactly what would be acceptable and good in a space to be heard.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you would not do that, then how would people show up?
That's where there has been a little bit of a gurgle there majorly. What I've been realizing is that that I have been in this mode from such a long time, that the question that I keep asking is, you know who am I? So if I am not this, then who am I? How will people show up? I think there's a fear because there's a fear that people will not like what they see.
Mhm.
You know, um,
So the fear of rejection keeps coming back to you time
yeah,
and again.
yeah, yes.
Yeah. And what if you were rejected?
I I keep going back to the fact that, the story that I've been telling myself from a very long time is that I have grown up without friends. I have grown up without, that kind of a support system.
Mm.
After a very long time in my life, I've got friends that I can, depend on, who are, forming my support system. I don't want to lose
Mhm.
them. I don't want to lose
Okay.
them. Put it
So
very right
whom
this.
you call people whom you call friends, are they friends?
Mm,
Just asking.
um, soulmates. I don't know. That's the word coming to me. They're more than friends.
ओके तो जो ऑथेंटिक फ्रेंड्स होते हैं वो
हम्म,
वो कभी लूज कर सकते हैं हम
नहीं.
तो फिर वो कैसे फ्रेंड्स है जिनके साथ आप एसोसिएट करते हो जिनको आप फ्रेंड्स कहते हो
No, for example, two of my friends are on this call. You know,
व्हाट अ प्रॉब्लम
you're, you're there and Natasha is there.
सो
I
व्हाट डू यू थिंक वी लीव यू
I have I think you guys would probably say what a nutcase. मतलब,
तो वो तो तुम हो ही
no, I'm serious.
isn't it है ना ऐसे कोई नई चीज बताओ ना ऐसे कि अगर अगर कोई कहे हाँ इफ यू नॉट अ नट केस दैट प्रोबब्ली विल बी समथिंग ना तो नट केस हो वो तो पता ही है ना तो फिर जिस चीज का पता हो तो उसमें उससे उससे कहाँ बाहर जाएंगे
Now, see, I am trying to intellectualize this because मैं इसके आगे नहीं सोच पाती हूँ, इसके आगे कर नहीं पाती हूँ. So I don't want to be artificial at all.
Firstly, let's talk about the last 4 years. If you've been associated, I don't even know the year when we started associating actually,
Hmm.
but then just taking for instance, in the last four
Yeah,
years, if you call suppose both of us friends, yeah.
yeah,
Firstly, did you ever, and let's be absolutely true to the last bit, yeah, because otherwise
yeah,
there's no fun.
yeah.
Have you ever felt even an iota of rejection from any one of us? And if you felt, you must say there is nothing wrong about that.
No, I haven't.
No, then where is the fear?
Inside
Do you
me.
know? Do you know something that firstly, if I call somebody a friend, yeah, and if they are authentic friends, they are never going to judge me if I am a nut or not a nut. Yeah, it's not I only who chose them; even they chose me.
Hmm.
Is it not? It's not a one sided love affair. I'm sure there's something about you which the other one likes, and they like to associate with you. Yeah?
Hmm.
And secondly, अगर मुझे ऐसे लगता है that Ruchi is a friend of mine, जिसका मुझे हमेशा डर लगा रहे कि ये मुझे रिजेक्ट कर सकती है कभी भी at the drop of a hat, तो फिर मुझे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहिए कि फिर उसको फ्रेंड है वो क्या है ना
नहीं.
और फिर अगर मैंने उसको ये डेजिग्नेशन दे भी दिया फ्रेंड का तो इज इट इवन वर्थ इट या बिकॉज
Hmm.
आई थिंक इन माय वर्ल्ड टुडे I do
Yeah.
not desire to have anybody who's unauthentic, you know.
Hmm.
I better not have anyone than have even one person who is just ऐसी हवा में, you know. And do you know, like people cannot know you energetically, yeah. But
Yeah.
I really know myself that whatever or whoever I am today, just from the energy field, anybody who's unauthentic, they can't bear with me only. You get that? है ना, वो अपने आप झड़ जाते हैं, पता नहीं कैसे झड़ जाते हैं. I don't have to do anything. I will never ever say anything. Never ever. Nothing good, nothing bad. Yeah? They will just go away. How do they distance? And what makes them distance? I don't have to see. I don't have to bother about at all. The only thing, and even if they are distanced, you know, the only thing which I have for them is that I can just pray well for them each time they come to my thought. Each time they just come, whatever, it could be in reference to the context. Each time they can come, somebody else is talking about them. Other than wishing well for them, I don't have anything more to that at all. Yeah. तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि it is another level of freedom which I'm getting to experience. Yeah. And I think that if somebody rejects us also now, where do I have to work? Suppose if you feel rejected in this moment, I know all of us are not in the same space, and I can really honor that. Yeah. Even if I have a fear that somebody would reject me, yeah, then the next question coming is, where am I rejecting myself? Because the places where I reject myself only are the places where somebody can reject me. And if I have selected all, है ना, ये copy paste करते ना, select all.
Paste.
You get that?
Yeah.
And then that is how you paste it. So then select all हो जाता है. Yeah. So keep asking yourself, why do I keep immersing myself in rejection? Yeah. Because what will emerge out of that? Rejection. You get that?
Yeah.
Because if I would immerse myself in light, what will emerge? Light. Yeah. So I have to keep asking, where am I immersing? You know, and immersion. Like, what is that immersion about? And I can even choose to go under. Yeah. So they are over water sports and they are underwater sports. Yeah. But then even when we go underwater, we go snorkeling. What is it? What is the connection? The connection, the snorkel is always having the air up. Yeah. The oxygen is coming from somewhere. What is that oxygen talking about? That oxygen is talking about the connection.
Yeah.
Isn't it? And when that oxygen is talking about connection, and suppose that pipe goes away, जिससे snorkeling करते हैं, गए नहीं? गए, isn't it? And everywhere that we have been doing that, है ना? Everywhere that we have been doing that, are you in this time ready to just being ready, just being willing to come out of that rejection that I've been doing time and again? Yeah. And then what am I rejecting? Am I rejecting my body? Am I rejecting my pulsating heart? Am I rejecting the guidance? Am I rejecting anything which is enhancing? Am I rejecting the piece of information that comes my way? Yeah. There is information coming my way each time. Every second it is coming. But what is it? When I do not desire to listen to that, then what happens is I keep taking actions, but I keep taking actions frantically. है ना? और फ्रैंटिकली का हिंदी में पता है क्या मतलब होता है? जब हाथ पांव पड़े रहते हैं, है ना, और हाथ पांव फूले रहते हैं, काम भी करते रहते हैं, हाथ पांव भी फूले रहते हैं, है ना। तो ये नहीं समझ आता कि काम करते हुए हाथ पांव फूले क्यों रहते हैं, है ना। फिक्र तो उसको होनी चाहिए जो काम करता ही नहीं। अगर हम तो काम भी करते हैं और फिर हाथ पांव भी फूले रहते हैं, तो ऐसा क्या करते हैं, क्यों होता रहता है ऐसे बार बार अपने साथ? या बिकॉज वी हैव नॉट चोजन टू immerse in light. Yeah. So we were talking about three things yesterday. And one of that, what was it? Can somebody come up with the word? Yeah.
Enlightenment.
Enlightenment.
Okay, enlightenment. अच्छा, और क्या था? और क्या था?
Self-realization.
Self-realization.
Okay. There was another word to that, self-realization. उसके लिए क्या करना था? Last में 15 minutes end of the day.
Self-evaluation. Introspection.
Introspection. ये देखो, ये लेक्चर देती है ना, इसको कैसे याद है? इसको पता है? नहीं पकड़।
सही बात।
Isn't it? So what is it that like I'm connecting yesterday's call with today, because if I do not self introspect, then I will keep, what will I do? I will keep immersing in something else. I will never immerse in the awareness that is coming to me. The awareness is saying be on call. And what is my head saying? यार स्टूडियो तो पहले दिन खोलना है 2.5 महीने बाद, कॉल पे कैसे होंगे? You get that? This is the way we justify, isn't it? है ना। और अभी कॉल पे है तो कौन सा ऐसे दीवार टूट गई, सारी दीवारें साबुत है ना। Yeah. Like whenever we are working from the mind, what will that do? It will never allow you to immerse in awareness. The awareness is always talking to you. It is a piece of guidance that is coming to you. And it is guiding you कि कहाँ पे डूबो, है ना। इमर्स का क्या मतलब होता है? डूबना। ठीक है, तो हमें कहाँ कहाँ डूबना आता है? हमें आता है विचारों में डूबना, गमों में डूबना, बड़े अच्छे से आता है ना। लोगों में डूबना, लोग क्या क्या करते हैं, कैसे कैसे बोलते हैं, क्या क्या बात करते हैं, है ना। बिचिंग कितनी अच्छी से करते हैं, फिर उसकी क्या क्वालिटी होती है बिचिंग की, लेवल होता है ना उसका, ABCZ, समथिंग इज देयर। एंड देन देयर इज अनदर थिंग, that am I ready to immerse in awareness? और वो कब immerse in awareness क्यों? Can you हम लोग हर रिलीजन में ब्रह्म मुहूर्त की बात करते हैं ना सारे। एंड व्हाट इज दैट ब्रह्म मुहूर्त टॉक अबाउट? दैट इज, according to them, it is the best time of the 24 hours. And why is it called the best time? Because the whole world is sleeping. Okay. अगर हमारे तुम्हारे जैसे कुछ क्रेजी हैं तो वो सोचते हैं कि उस टाइम पे जब उठ जाते हैं ना तो क्या रहता है, क्योंकि सारी दुनिया और उनके दिमाग शांत रहते हैं, तो हमारी जो पीस ऑफ अवेयरनेस अपने पास आनी होती है ना, वो बहुत जल्दी से ट्रैवल होके अपने पास आ जाती है। ठीक है, उसका सिर्फ एक मायना है, दैट्स इट। ओके, बिकॉज दैट इज द टाइम बाकी के एल्गोरिदम्स ना चल नहीं रहे होते, तो गूगल भी कुछ टाइम के लिए बंद होता है। लोग कहीं पे भी हो ना थोड़े शांत होते हैं, है ना। मेल्स नहीं चल रही होती है, और अगर चल भी रही होती तो वन साइड ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर चल रही होती, जहां दिन है जहां रात है वहां थोड़ी शांति है। यू गेट दैट? या सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट व्हेन ऑल दैट किच पिच एंड chaos and the mess is like a little lesser, then I get to the information very, very fast. And that information is just guiding me what to do. And in that time, and frankly, we might be talking about the Brahma Muhurat, but then it might be that it's an impossible thing for us to get up at 3, 4, है Yeah, I know, even I don't get up. Yeah. But उसके बाद वाला भी कोई विष्णु मुहूर्त भी होता होगा, कोई तो होता होगा, मतलब कोई बाबा जी मुहूर्त, something must be there, isn't it? मतलब अब ब्रह्मा जी से आगे भी चल पड़ते हैं कि शायद कोई और मुहूर्त हो जो अपने लिए बना हो, तो वो वाला मुहूर्त ढूंढ लेते हैं. Yeah, the whole thing is that whenever I get up earlier than the others at home, yeah, so they might be getting up at 7 and I get up at 6, so that is my Brahma Muhurat. Okay. Yeah, the maids have not yet coming, they are not coming, the servant is not yet there, there is no clatter in the kitchen and there is no halchal, and then what happens? अपने को ना बाकी की किसी चीज का फिक्र नहीं रहता, बस सिर्फ अपना फिक्र रहता है और अपने कनेक्शन का फिक्र रहता है ना? और फिर उसमें से भी फिकर आउट हो जाता है, सिर्फ कनेक्शन की बात रहती है. Yeah. So in that connection, when I get to immerse, what emerges? The best part of me. It will tell you everything about the day. And you start doing that, it will actually lead you to the entire day and you will actually feel कि यार ये तो सब कुछ effortlessly सब कुछ होता रहा है. Yeah. Like I'll talk about myself last night. Obviously, when you're getting back to work after a long time, I'm a very early riser, though still, there was something which was there. Yeah. And I never put on the alarm. So I just told myself, you have to get up at this time and just get up. Okay. And then I see कि उससे 5-7 minute पहले I just turned my side and I just saw the time and it was the time. And you just get up and you do whatever. And then जो भी आपका morning होता है ना? And morning are the most mesmerizing moments of the day. And when you get to melt into those, the day melts into you. Yeah, the day melts into you. There is nothing which is haphazardly happening which will disturb you. Yeah, and everything is sorted. There might be like 10, 12, 15 people in your world, but you feel as if they have been self-sorted and come in front of you. Yeah. So what are you ready to immerse yourself in? Yeah. और क्या वो जो हम इमर्जन रॉड यूज करते हैं घर पे, जब गीजर्स नहीं होते थे सब इमर्जन रॉड्स यूज करते थे, तो जब उसको पानी में डालते हैं ना तो वो गर्म होनी शुरू हो जाती है ना? So what is that talking about? The level of energy that we become when we immerse ourselves in connectivity and light and everything that keeps us away from that. And each time I am away from that kind of डूबना, अपन कहाँ डूब जाते हैं? बाकी की सब चीजों में. Yeah. Then what happens is you are not steering the day is steering you, है ना? धक्के मार के चला रहा हो, चलो भैया चलो चाबुक चलाए, चाबुक ऐसे वाले, है ना? ऐसे करके वो चलाता रहता है. So if I want to steer my life, I definitely have to be immersed in an energy which is going to be of the highest vibration, so that highest vibration keeps me alive, keeps me kicking, keeps me elevated, gives me a smile. Yeah, and a smile without reason. Yeah, where you stand on the red light and बाजू का बंदा सोचता शायद मुझे ही देख के हंस रही है, चलो उसका भी दिन खुश हो जाता है. ऐसे कई बार खुश फहमी में भी बहुत खुशी रहती है, नहीं? है ना, ये नहीं पता कि सपनों का सौदागर तो कोई और ही है, बट उसको बेचारे को ऐसे ही लग जाता है 5 सेकंड के लिए कि शायद ये अपना मेरे को ही देख के हंस, चलो सो गुड. या so everywhere that we've not been able to do that, ask yourself, what am I rejecting? Where am I rejecting myself? Yeah. And what makes me reject that part of me? है ना. सोचो हाथ को रिजेक्ट करती रहती हूँ, हाथ को, लेफ्ट हैंड, कि कम काम आएगा, कम काम आता है ना, तो लेफ्ट को कम, इसको रिजेक्ट करती रहती हूँ. तो आपको लगता है उसके रिजेक्शन से मेरा दिन बनता है? फिर नमस्ते की बारी आ जाती, फिर लेफ्ट हैंड की जरूरत होती है ना. फिर कुछ भार ज्यादा उठाना होता है, फिर लेफ्ट हैंड की जरूरत होती है. तो आपको कभी रिजेक्ट होने नहीं देगा वो, है ना. तो आप अपने आप को कैसे रिजेक्ट करते रहते हैं, और कहाँ कहाँ रिजेक्ट करते रहते हैं, और आपकी कौन सा पार्ट है जो इतना अनअवेयर अभी भी बैठा हुआ है, जो अपने आप में खुशी ढूंढने के लिए राजी ही नहीं है, अभी कहीं राजी नहीं है ना. है ना, क्योंकि जहां हम राजी नहीं होते ना, वहां नासाजी होती है. नहीं, जहाँ पे हम राजी नहीं होते वहां नासाजी होती है, क्योंकि वहां पे वननेस नहीं हो पाती ना. तो आप पूछ लीजिए कि 5 उंगलियों में से कौन सी आपको नहीं चाहिए, है ना. 2 आंखों में से कौन सी नहीं चाहिए, 2 नॉस्ट्रल्स हैं तो उसमें से कौन सी नहीं चाहिए, लेफ्ट वाला ईयर चाहिए कि राइट वाला चाहिए, है ना. बिकॉज आई थिंक वेयर एवर द पेन इज, the pain is pain, it will keep paining. Yeah. And everything that does not allow you, would you now in this time like to eliminate all those walls, those blocks, those unaware parts of you, those parts which are looking for you, they're looking up to you to change your belief. Yeah. And what is the belief? Am I doing, or am I being done? Yeah. And you will keep wondering कि यार ये चीज ना 6 महीने पहले थोड़ी कम दर्द थी, अब दुख ज्यादा हो गया है ना. क्योंकि when you are being done ना, वो इतना दुखी कर देगा कि तुम दुख से भी दुखी हो जाओगे. ठीक है, तुम दुख से भी दुखी हो जाओगे, तो बोलोगे अब कितना दुखी हो सकते हैं यार, अब इसकी भी हद हो चुकी है ना. तब यहां से हद से कहाँ जा सकते हैं, बेहद, और कहीं जगह ही नहीं बची ना. Yeah, and what is behad? Behad is infiniteness. Behad is nothing which you can bracket. Behad is something you can't put it. Yeah, Natasha.
चले यार.
Yeah.
ये एग्जाम्पल 2-3 कॉल पहले भी मैं सोच रही थी डिस्कस करने का. आई वाज जस्ट लिसनिंग. देयर इज वन मॉन्क नेम गौर गोपाल दास फ्रॉम ISKCON.
Yeah, it's
बड़ी
very
ह्यूमरस
nice.
टॉक्स होती है उनकी. तो मैं उनको सुन रही थी, तो यही बात जो सामने आई, ही वाज टेलिंग कि एक बंदे ने जोक सुनाया सबको, सारे पूरा हॉल पूरा हंसा. ठीक है, वही सेम जोक उसने दूसरी बार सुनाया तो आधे लोग हंसे. तीसरी बार सुनाया तो वो आधे में की आधे हो गए. चौथी बार सुनाया तो सारे चुप हो गए, भी इसको क्या हो गया, तो पागल हो गया. 5वीं बार सुनाया तो उन्होंने गालियां देनी शुरू कर दी, भाई कितनी बार सुनाओगे. तो उन्होंने कहा जब एक जोक को हम, एक मजाक है जिससे हम सब हंस रहे हैं, वो हम उसको बार बार नहीं सुन सकते, ना झेल सकते हैं, ना अपने साथ लेके चल सकते हैं सेम मजाक को, तो हम सेम दुख को कैसे साथ लेके चल सकते हैं.
Absolutely, so beautiful. So
ये इतना आपकी
beautiful.
बात के साथ साथ कनेक्टिंग था कि ऐसे कैसे भाई, एक दुख हमने कब से झेल रहे हैं, और इट्स नॉट विद मी, इट्स विद आई थिंक सो मेनी अदर्स, कि हम एक चीज को क्यों पकड़े रखते हैं भाई. मतलब मुझे इतना सही लगा सिस्टम कि भाई मजाक तो पकड़ नहीं सकते, दुख पकड़ने का हमें शौक चढ़ा हुआ. एंड कल की बात है, आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि मतलब अच्छा सिंपैथी में रहना इतना अच्छा लगने लग गया है. मुझे लगा हाँ
Hmm.
ओके देन लेट गो दिस थिंग. क्लिंजिंग करने का बहुत टाइम आ गया है अब. और ज्यादा कितना, अब तो कर ही लो. इतनी सिंपैथी में रहने की जरूरत नहीं है. So leave
नहीं,
this.
पर sympathy है किस चीज की?
कई बार
First of
ऐसे
all,
जब आप किसी
first of
प्रॉब्लम में होते हो आपको लगता
I
है ना कि
totally
हाँ दूसरा
get.
सुने.
I totally get, and sometimes it's good to be heard also. That's also
Yeah.
there. मगर मगर एक ही बात कितनी बार ही सुनेंगे?
कितनी बार.
Yeah. And then imagine कि दूसरा तो आपसे दुखी हो जाता है, आपका जो आपकी बॉडी है वो वही इम्पल्स ले लेके कितना ज्यादा दुखी होगी. You get that? We do not get disease like that.
Yes.
We do not get disease like that. Yeah. You know, we have some friends, and you know, each time she will come and you know I will say, और हेलो दीदी कैसे हैं, है ना? बस ठीक है. यही होता है. मतलब अगर मैं कि if I can really record and you know if I send, बिल्कुल यही टोन होती है. फिर आगे फिर मालविका तुम्हारा स्टूडियो नीचे होता. मैंने कहा ये दीदी काश की जिंदगी मत जिया करो, अपने को ऊपर ही चढ़ना, तो मास्टर को नीचे बुला लो, है ना? है ना? या चलो वो भी हो गया. फिर उसके बाद मैंने कहा 6 महीने बाद फिर आए, फिर वही, है ना? So the story is that you so love the story
Yeah.
that you don't want to
Yes.
be out of it. That is the story.
That is the thing.
Why do we say कि story मैं वही कहती हूँ कि story जो है ना उसके 2-3 मायने रहते हैं, है ना? या तो ये है कि अपने को सिंपैथी चाहिए, ठीक है, और या उसी में से हमें इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है, ठीक है, कि हाँ यार ये था, ऐसे हुआ, उसके बाद हमने XYZ किया, उसके बाद हम बाहर हैं. फिर वो क्या है? That is a hope. That is not a story. That is hope. You are selling hope कि हाँ यार अपने साथ पॉसिबल है, सारी दुनिया के साथ पॉसिबल है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, कहीं कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You get that? So whenever we are talking about anything, and whenever we are talking about it repeatedly, then I have to ask myself कि अब ये क्या है? ये victim शुरू हो गया है? कौन सी वाला पहलू है इसका, है ना? कि यार ये होप वाली चीज है. तो अगर तो होप वाली चीज है, वेरी वेल, है ना? और अगर विक्टिम वाली है तो क्या तुम छोड़ना चाहोगी?
Yeah.
तो कहते हैं because the moment I leave the victim, I become empowered. Okay? And what is the power inside starts telling me, यार ये छोड़ो, ये बहुत हो गया यार, रोना धोना. You get that? इतना रोगी, आंखें भी थक गई हैं, है ना? आईसाइट भी कम हो गई, तुम छोड़ो यार, कुछ और बेहतर करेंगे. Yeah? And you will see when you leave that, your set of people will change.
Definitely.
Yeah. We have a beautiful help at home. I don't know, she's like some 24 years old with us. I don't know, each time, you know, when she will come and I will tell her, no, now she has anything to say, she'll talk to my mother. She'll not talk to me. Okay. And then that will come through mom. And whenever she'll come to me, I will say कि अब जो तारा जी हैं उनका फिर से तारा शुरू हो गया है, नहीं है, उसको समझ आती है मैं कहाँ बोल रही हूँ, है ना? मैं उसको कहूंगी कि यार जब तुम इस तार से तुम्हारा जब डिस्कनेक्शन होगा ना, तो तब तुम इधर लाओ अपना सिर, है ना? इधर लाओ. मैंने स्पेशली डंडा गड़वा के रखा हुआ है थोड़े, क्योंकि कई बार ना साइडें सीधी करने की जरूरत होती है ना? तो जब वो साइडें सीधे कर दो तो फिर ठीक हो जाते हैं सारे. हाँ, yeah. So and till the time you just keep listening to them, and I'll say कि यार it's 24 साल हो गए यार, कोई नई सी स्टोरी सुना यार, इसमें कोई स्पार्क डालो, है? इसमें कोई स्पार्क डालो, ये इतनी
कब तक चलेगा ये सब?
हाँ, isn't it? तो मैंने कहा ये तो सास बहू का भी जो सीरियल था, वो भी उसका भी कोई टाइम टेन्योर था, 2-3 साल बाद खत्म हो गया ना, मुझे तो पता नहीं वैसे, बट आई एम श्योर कोई तो उसका सीजन 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 कुछ खत्म हो गया. यहाँ पे सीजन ही नहीं बदला 24 सालों में, क्या हो गया? Yeah. So I wonder, and when you know, and like when you are there, you know, even they know. Now she knows कि यहाँ पे कोई दाल वाल नहीं गलनी, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होना. So इसलिए जो है ऑथेंटिक उससे बात करेंगे. ये बाकी का जो है ये सारे गामा पा, ये पिछले वरांडे में जाके हवा में करें, दैट्स इट। अपने पास ऐसा कोई वक्त नहीं है, ठीक है? So that is the same thing I have to keep telling myself. Am I immersed in my story, or am I desire to immerse in the hope, which is there just lying in that very story, which is telling me, just take a step. Don't take 10, just take a step. Okay? Yeah? And
Small step.
and yeah, small step, baby steps will take you. Let's take those baby steps. They'll take you out of wherever you are. Yeah? And then you will get to see a space within your own self. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that is the space of highest vibration, which will support the space of lowest vibration, and you will sail through.
Yeah.
And you will sail through. Yeah.
So true. So good. So good. So good.
Amazing.
Vibrating.
Vibrating. Absolutely. So can we go to the meditation? Yeah. Will that be good? Or does anyone want to say something? Nobody? Amazing. That's good. Just give me a second. And we can close our eyes till that time. And everywhere that we have not taken charge of our own self, and we thought that something else will take charge of us, some person, some situation, somebody, some near and dear one. Everywhere that you do not like to take charge of your life, immersing in the positive to emerge as positive. Are you ready to let all those limitations just go away? Letting go of the limitations is the simplest thing. The simplest thing to find what limitation is. That is when we get to a space of silence within us. And sometimes when we are not used to being in silence, it can take a few days to get there. However, being committed that I am going to do every bit to get to that space of silence. And that can only come by practice. And initially it could just be you sitting alone in a room which is silent. You can just put on an incense stick. You can just light a candle. And that is not to concentrate, That is just to change the vibration of that very room. And it might be in those moments when you sit doing nothing, that is, sitting idle. You might find it very tough to be there. As sitting with self is the toughest. This doing world has never allowed us to sit with our own self and to observe its beauty. And as we have never practiced it, and today we have thought of starting this practice, might be this is seeming a little tough, but I assure you, you do it 7 days in a row. Even when you are hating it somewhere, the 8th day is going to be good. The 8th day, the mind seems to know you are not going to give in. You are not going to get out of this new practice that you have lately started. So what will happen is the mind will start giving you way. Just like a naughty child. When he is all hell-bent, doing all possible naughtiness in a time when you're not liking it, and when you get to gripping him, he gives into. That is how the mind is. And sometimes that naughty child has a father and a mother who are poles apart. One desires to discipline, and the other desires to indulge. When somebody is disciplining the child, but if the one who really knows how to discipline that shows up, emerges in all his energy and means business, the other parent and that child just gives in. This is how our mind is. It loves to play games. And it'll love to go helter-skelter everywhere, but not silence. But if you do it 7 days in a row, the 8th day it will give into you, into the discipline. And after that is the start of therapy. And that therapy is of mastering the silence. The more we immerse in silence, the more we emerge in light. Because that silence guides you in such a beautiful way that you'll not initially be able to believe. But as you keep practicing it more and more, you will find wonderment to every day. Every moment. It is as if in silence, the magic turns on. The magic of the Supreme. And what is the magic of the Supreme? Is asking us to have an inward journey. The outward has been enough. The outward has always kept you scattered. The inwards is always illuminating. The inwards is always you are gathered and you are so pivoted. You are so focused. You exactly know what you are doing and what are you doing for. What if we were the wick in that paraffin wax? Just immersed. And what is that paraffin wax indicative of? It is indicative of the Supreme. And that wick is going deep, 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 deepest in that liquid paraffin wax. And when we make candles, if you have made ever, we put a little weight underneath that wick so that the wick stands straight when the paraffin wax gets solid. And do you know what is that weight of? That is the weight of trust. Trusting that the more I immerse in the Supreme, the more I get to be in light and to be with light And that trust keeps your life straight. Even when there are so many curves that you come across, there are curves that are sharp, the curves that are not as sharp. And that trust and that straightened wick is just looking forward to be lit. And how do you get lit? How do you get lighted? We get lighted with His graces. We get lighted with our earnest ask. And that ask, we are only asking for, I am unable to connect to you. Please connect to me. My fear, my impatience, my anxiety, my anger does not allow me to connect to you. It keeps me distanced from your light. It keeps me distant from you, Supreme. But can you please do that for me? You connect to me. I know you have the power. It's just like me becoming a camel in those moments. And the camel is the lucky animal. It sits on its knees and stands on its knees too. Always on its knees. That is what being earnestly asking means. And that is when He lights that wick. And the experience that you get is you're not caught up in situations. You're not caught up in anything which is dark. You're not even caught up in any dark conversation because you will just step back from there. You will just choose to step out even when people don't like it. And that is the beauty of illumination. And you choose to step back or step out without judging. Each time we get to judgment, that is ego. That is earth guards and earth guides are working. It's not the God that is working there. As we have edged God out. But we will just choose to step back, step out, simply. Because that is nothing about light that we are conversing about. Let's be selective in our conversations. And there is something more to this. The more we get to light, the more we get nearer to light, it keeps us away from draining energy, futile talk, futile hearing. It'll keep guiding you to use your senses to the best. These senses are the gifts that we have been granted. How can we misuse them? And only when we sit amongst a group or we talk to a friend or family, the only conversation which is required here is something which is elevating. Something about the light. But how can we talk about light till the time we have not immersed in it? We have to immerse in light to be at ease, to be in the moment, to be in the magic. And being in the magic with utmost trust. Everything is happening for my best. Because nothing less than the best I deserve. And 24/7 is granted to me just to immerse in Him. And that beautiful, fond, enigmatic, resilient, brilliant energy, which is ever expanded, which is ever expansive. And that light which is so real, which is so authentic, which cannot change. It can never become minuscule, it is just growing and it will always keep growing. In this body we have come. We have come to immerse in Him and to emerge as His beautiful offspring. This is the only and only reason why we are here. And everywhere that we do not have clarity, are you ready to have that clarity and just soak into that clarity once and for all? And committing to never taking that U-turn. U-turn into the weak. U-turn into the disturbed. U-turn into the victim. U-turn into the less. U-turn into the lack. U-turn into rejection. U-turn into judgment. U-turn into fear. U-turn into what is the future holding. As the light is ever growing, and it is only and only showing us a pathway to victory. growing as we and being the victorious. Victory over all the vices, and expansion into all the virtues. May we take this light within us, be this light, and be the torch bearers. Torch bearers is showing light to others, hope. Torch bearers is that's a beautiful thing to be. Messengers of God. A wow space. Be the magic and be that torch bearer committedly. And this is only a possibility when we choose to immerse, to emerge. The molecules are all dancing in joy. The molecules of our body, they're just simply dancing in joy. So present to this moment. So present with light, being light. Let's keep expanding this light. And let's give this vibration to the entire planet. To each one who is not being able to see light, to be light. And who have yet not been able to make a choice to get out of mess. And yet they have chosen to emerge, to immerse in the darkness, wallowing in pain and worry. Let's give loads of light to them. We are just a conduit. It is the light of the Supreme that we are consciously spreading as we are in this moment conscious of that light that we are taking from. Let's keep spreading light everywhere. Everywhere. Spreading this light to the minds that are yet not clear, are yet thinking toxic. Are yet choosing to be a victim rather than showing up in power. And it's not just the human race. Let's spread light on the entire planet. The nature, the trees, the birds, the animals, the water bodies, the underwater world. And as 70% of the planet is covered with water, let's charge that water wherever it is. And charge that water with the amazing, expansive thoughts and light. The whole planet is safe. Each one on the planet is safe. They are happy. They are related. They have chosen to tune in to light. They are not struggling. And they are abundantly resourced. And they are abundantly resourced. And they are abundantly resourced. Let's get back to the core of us. Let's get back to the breath. Let's get back to the light within us that is guiding us in this moment. Let's become aware of wherever we are sitting, lying down. Let's get our awareness to the room that we are sitting in, the floor, the bed, the furniture, the curtains. And whenever you desire to open your eyes, you can. Thank you so much, each one. Thank you for all your thanks that I'm reading here. Yeah. It's always so nice to be here on a call. And let's come up. Yeah.
थैंक यू बहुत अच्छा मतलब मतलब बहुत अच्छा मतलब जैसे ना कुछ एक्सटेंडिंग मतलब आँख खोलने को दिल नहीं कर रहा बार बार आँख बंद करके ना मतलब लेते जाओ थैंक यू
Enjoy करिए.
थैंक यू सो मच गॉड ब्लेस यू
Thank you so very much. And tomorrow's call, let's have some questions coming up. Yeah. For all the calls that we've done behind. And this is also a commitment to the call, yeah? Let's have those questions before I start the call. It's not at 12. Yeah, please take out time. Do that. Consider that to be your homework. And let's come up with that. Yeah. Have an amazing, amazing day. We'll connect back.
Thank you. Same to you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Perfect. Thanks.